Alright, so how's business?
Business 50-50.
When I first came, you had a small, tiny shop.
Yes.
I might have something for you, I don't know.
Yes, I'm very happy.
Alright guys, I just got to Diani and I'm going over to meet my favorite wood carver. His name is Daniel. Daniel's shop is right on the main road. And last time I was here, I told him I was coming back. I don't know if he's expecting me. I don't even know if he remembers me. Who could forget this face? And I may or may not have a gift for him. Let's do it. One of the goals of this channel is to highlight and promote special people during my travels. You've already seen the King David videos, which I will continue to reference over and over because I've been forever changed by them. I love the kids in the village. On my previous 2 visits to Kenya, you can imagine that I've met tons and tons of street vendors and artists and visited their shops. Daniel is one of those special people that stood out to me. He's humble and polite, but I've come to recognize those are the traits of the great ones. Each visit to his shop, he would leave me alone while he was busy working on specially commissioned work. There was never any pressure to buy anything. He was so intense about his craft that I would sit and watch him perform his flawless work. It was during one of these sessions that I could see that if he had a power tool for carving fine details, it would greatly speed up his development work. I made a mental note that once I returned to Kenya, that I'd return with a gift for him. Let's watch our reunion. All right, Daniel always has zebras outside his place. All right, guys, here he is. Let's do it. He's the shop with all the zebras. Daniel's handcraft. Here you go. Jumbo. Hello, how are you?
Hi.
Mr. Daniel,
My name.
how's it going?
Yeah, fine.
Nice to see you, nice to see you.
You too.
You good?
Yes.
Can I record a little video?
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah?
No problem.
All right, we want to show people around your shop. All right, guys, so this is Daniel. Daniel's my favorite wood carver.
Yeah. I'm been busy 50-50.
Your shop is bigger, Daniel.
Now, yeah. You left it when it was small.
Every time I drive by here, Daniel is always carving every day. And this is the result of hard work and talent. The big 5 right here. Right. So, when I first came, you had a small, tiny shop.
Yes.
Was it this one here? Or was it this one?
It was here.
It was like a bench.
Yeah.
It was a bench.
Now
and
there's
like
a bench here.
And you
Now
you did all these in the past few months?
Yes.
Wow.
I was having some little carvings, but now you see
Now you're doing the bigger ones. Oh, look at this. An eyeglass stand. If you want an eyeglass stand, you can do it. Okay.
Yeah. Now you come.
Now I'm here. I told you I'll come back.
Yeah, you come when?
Like yesterday, 2 days ago.
2 days ago. You are there.
Yeah, over there.
Yeah,
And so I'm just stopping by to see you.
Yeah.
I might have something for you. I don't know.
Yes. Yeah.
I don't know. Hold on, let me see. I have my bag. I got you this. Dremel.
Yeah.
It's hand wood carving. It's a machine. You can plug it in
For details.
for details.
Yes.
So Daniel, so you can use it for portraits, that
Oh.
kind of stuff, for any detailed work.
Yeah.
And I got you some extra like tools and stuff for it, so you can have different kinds of
Yeah.
detail work done.
Very good. I'm very happy. I'm very happy.
I got it with a cord so that you could just work non-stop if you wanted to. You don't have to rely on a
Now
battery.
you'll see. Now you'll see. Okay.
Daniel's work is typically great, but now it's gonna be excellent because he'll be able to do all that fine detailed work.
Very nice.
Exactly. And then you have all these tips,
Yeah.
so you could do polishing and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
And this is the Dremel that we got off of Amazon. Ultra lightweight. Like, look at this detail work on this. Look at this crocodile. Come on. So hopefully he'll be able to make more of these faster with a mechanical tool. I kind of want this. Can I get this? Be my second pet. All right, Daniel's needs to get power before he'll be able to power up the tool. So we'll come back when he's got some power.
Yeah. Very nice. Like you said, this one I put this buffalo killed by
How do you make the details now?
Yeah, you see, this I borrowed machine. You see the details.
Okay, you borrowed a machine. Okay. Now you got your own.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, he makes dogs. I might need Q's face. Let me see if I can get a picture.
For your dog at home.
This is my dog, guys, right here. This is Q's.
Yes.
Dalmatian.
We can make it.
We can make it.
Yes.
All right.
Here's the things which
I have him with me. He's
Yeah.
at home.
you have it.
I brought him. Yeah.
I sent picture
From New York.
by WhatsApp.
I'll send you a picture.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
can make the size you like.
The size that maybe
the
a
crowd.
real life size, a real size.
Yeah.
Sweet. Okay.
Mm.
Nice. This is so cool.
That's good. Big five.
Big five. Awesome.
That's why this one is a big five.
Uh-huh.
Big five. On map on Africa.
And what is this here?
This one,
Leaves.
leaves.
Leaves. But what do you do? Just decoration?
It was decoration.
Mm-hmm.
I took decoration with my local machine.
Okay. And now this guy's working with you now?
Yes,
So
it's
now
my,
it's two people?
it's my brother.
Oh, it's your brother. Okay.
We work together now. He was working at Nairobi.
Family business.
This is
Oh, I
nice.
love it. This is
See,
amazing.
This is the material.
That's the
This
raw
is
material?
The
Okay.
notes.
Where do you get the trees from?
We get it.
Just find it on the road, or
no,
do you
this
get
is not
specific
around.
kind?
This specific kind. We get it the Kenya to Tanzania border. Government forest. We go
And how do you
back
bring it here?
with the pickup, with the we cut with the machine there. Then
Do you go pick the wood, or you just order some?
we order.
You order.
We order.
Okay.
People, there are people special. We order, then they bring it.
Wow. Maybe next year you'll have 3 shops.
Yeah. I want to behind. I want to
Inwards this way?
to expand.
Uh-huh.
To expand.
Okay. Sweet. Awesome. All right. Well, thank you.
Yeah.
All right. And we'll get some stuff, and I want to see you in action.
Yes.
And we may or may not do a collaboration soon on something. We'll see. Remember I told you I wanted to make a rungu or
Yes. You come.
Right.
You come. We plan. You come. We.
Right.
I want. When will you back? When will you go back?
Oh.
I want. When you go, you know how to make yourself. Also,
We start a business in the U.S.
Also, I can order your tools.
Okay.
Tools.
Oh wow.
I can teach you how to can make just a giraffe, elephant.
I'll start with the rungu first.
Oh.
All right, guys. Awesome. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, guys. That was so much fun. I love Daniel. He's my favorite. He's such a good guy. And I find it hilarious that he doesn't even have power, but he started opening up the tools and practicing. So it's awesome. So we'll come back when he has power and we'll check out some kind of collaboration. We might work on something. My new hat. This is so nice. Look at this. I love it. Marbles inside. Guys, look at how amazing this is. It's so good. I love it. We got a comb. Yeah, I want all of this. Big 5. Yeah, I'm hiring a new cameraman, guys. Because Mike keeps forgetting to record these moments. Look at this, guys. Daniel is so talented. This is so cool. A buffalo being killed by 2 lions. 3 lions. It's bigger, Daniel.